Effie Hematian. I am a designer. Everything to me is about quality. I am a perfectionist. That's my promise to you. When the customer put the pieces on, they don't want to take it off.
This Mother's Day, come into Macy's to see the Effie collections. Like this quarter-carat diamond pendant, $4.99. A 1-carat total weight diamond ring, now $11.99. Or this emerald ring in 14-karat gold for $12.99. The Jewelry Store at Macy's, your Mother's Day destination.
So I'm having birthday brunch with my family.
When my husband hands me a present,
The Galaxy S6.
so I call my mom.
I have Verizon.
I don't. She couldn't really hear me.
I tell her how much she means to me.
But she thinks I said she was always mean to me.
I could hear how happy she was.
Well, she definitely loves my sister more.
Mother's Day is almost
Max, you're gonna get it.
$200 or more when you trade in your smartphone for a Galaxy S6. But hurry, this offer ends May 10th. Verizon.
The first hybrid in America. A Honda. The first to meet the Clean Air Act standards. A Honda. And now we're the first to do something else. The Honda Dream Garage Sales Event! Right now you can get an amazing deal on a Honda Accord, named the 2015 IIHS Top Safety Pick.
Get him, Maggie. Get him. Get him, Maggie.
Hurry, the Honda Dream Garage sales event ends soon. Get a great deal on an Accord. Today at your Honda dealer.
Thunderstorms closing in. How severe things could get at 11.
Only 2 episodes left. You need to get out of there. You're blacklist tomorrow.
Arthur Jones was at Key West for
Max.
the weekend as Detective McCormick. What about prior to Derek Thompson's trial?
That's called a coincidence, not a conspiracy. The detective was there on police business.
Well, perhaps, but we believe that police business provided him the cover to fly in Miss Jones for a romantic weekend.
There's absolutely no proof of that.
It's just common sense.